In this video, we're going to talk about some of the biggest lessons that I've learned while travel hacking. I've learned a whole lot while travel hacking, utilizing points and miles in order to get free vacations. But here are some of the biggest lessons that I've learned. And in order for me really to explain them to you, the best thing for us to do is go back to see some of my biggest mistakes that I've ever made. So we really have to start here. Here I am, tossing and turning, not able to sleep because all I can think about is the credit card debt that I was in. And the reason why I was in credit card debt is because I was applying for credit cards and was trying to meet the minimum spend requirement even though it wasn't in our budget. The number one rule for travel hacking, if you don't learn anything else from this video, is to make sure that you don't spend more money than you normally would on your credit card and carry a balance. That's what I did. I kept spending and spending on my credit card, thinking that I was going to get the points and thinking that it was going to be worth it because I was going to get a free vacation for our family. However, that really didn't turn into a free vacation because I had loads of credit cards that I had to pay off and I didn't know how I was going to be able to. I just got way over my head just trying to be able to hit another minimum spend on another credit card so that I would be able to get a free flight. So remember, if you don't learn anything else from this video, only pay on your credit card what you normally would. Never carry a balance whatsoever. Once I learned that lesson, I felt so much more free. I was able to get all of my cards down to a zero balance and keep them at zero. So while I was on vacation, I actually felt free and was able to enjoy those moments. Now, let's go back again. This is me applying for another credit card. This is my third within 6 months that I'm applying for, and I had no plan whatsoever. I just saw a really good sign-up bonus and I just applied for it, having no clue, no plans whatsoever. I didn't have plans for my vacation. I didn't have plans for how I was going to use the points. And most importantly, I didn't even have a plan for what cards I was going to apply for within, the next year or even 2 years. Right now, I always tell everybody, one of the biggest lessons that I've learned is to make sure that I always have a plan for travel hacking. Make sure that I have a plan for what vacation I'm trying to earn points for, have a plan for how I'm going to earn those points, and most importantly, to have a plan in which credit cards I'm going to be applying for within the next couple of years. I already know what cards I'm going to be planning to apply for within the next year to two. Not putting myself in a situation where I'm going to ruin my credit, ruin my family's credit, and change my family's financial situation. Because yeah, it's great to be able to get free vacations by using credit card points and miles, but what does that matter if you're not even able to pay for your family's bills? In order for us to understand the next lesson, we have to go back to here. This is where I'm using my points to not get the most value that I can. I'm actually using my Chase Ultimate Rewards points on Amazon. Yeah, I love Amazon. I can get so many things from there. I probably get a package from there between me and my wife at least once a week, but using my Chase Ultimate Rewards points for Amazon, that's less than a cent a point. A cent a point. Not even a cent a point. That's insane. Now, I could have even just used those points as cash back and been able to get more value and then just purchase the item from Amazon. Back then, I didn't understand that you can get different value by how you actually use the points. So now, whenever I actually use my points, I make sure that I find the best value for them. Whether that means that I'm booking directly from the credit card site or transferring those out. But going back here, this is the best lesson of all. Here I am looking on Instagram, looking on Facebook, scrolling, seeing all these people posting so many amazing vacations, and I felt like I was just on the sideline wondering how people are able to actually travel to Europe, travel to Hawaii, and travel around the world, and I didn't realize that travel hacking was a thing. But once I realized that there's actually other ways to vacation than spending your money, and that you'd be able to actually have sometimes nicer vacations than you actually normally would by finding the best value. But now this completely opened the doors for me and my family. Now we're the ones that are going to be able to travel around the world, go off to amazing places, see and have very unique different adventures, and all that just by making sure that we're able to utilize, and we're able to do that just by spending our money the most wisest way possible. So for all those people that say credit cards are a bad thing, I'm definitely one to say, no, they're not. If you actually know how to use them and are able to actually use your points the best way possible, you're able to do things that I never thought I would ever even be able to do. Let me know in the comments down below what vacation you're planning on using your points and miles for. But before you do apply for any other credit cards, check out this video here so you know all the credit card rules. Thank you again for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and hit the bell icon for notifications. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.